We finally caught a little break in the weather. All this rain has made it pretty much impossible to open the hives, but I wanted to make sure that they didn't need more boxes because a lot of the hives population is booming, and just to check to see how the hive beetle pressure is and various things going on with the hive. But they're looking great so far. I've split 2 hives and added another box to a couple of them. I haven't made it through all the hives yet, but I've been also relabeling them so that I can remember their lineage. I like to know which ones were split from other hives and that sort of thing. So I've been stung several times already today, so I'm going to probably close it up and wait for next week and hope for sunny weather. The bees definitely prefer inspections on sunny, non-cloudy, rainy predicted weather. And we have Stella, who is hiding from the bees. She hates getting too close, so she hides out in the car. This is Rachel with Curtis Orchard.